As part of its humanitarian service to the people of Ijebu Ode and its environs, the Ijebu Ode Club, a premier social club in Ijebu Ode, has donated significant amounts of money to the Focus on Disability Foundation home, Ijebu Ode. Oriafe Ogushola was at the clubhouse, venue of the program, and now reports. Presenting the check of the sum of 1,355,721 naira to the staff and students of the home, on behalf of the club, the trustee of the Ijebu Ode Club, Otumba Oloruntoba Mamora, reiterated that the gesture was part of core mandate of the club to support the vision of any group or individual aimed at improving the well-being of the general society, especially in Ijebu land. He also promised to make a personal donation of 100,000 naira to the foundation home. Some members of the club also lent their voices to the kindly gesture, emphasized that it shows the club's commitment to community service and support for vulnerable groups in society, undoubtedly making a positive impact on the lives of the children at the foundation home. In response to the philanthropic gesture, the founder of the Focus on Disability Foundation, Home for Children with Disabilities, who is also a member of the Ijebu Ode Club, Mr. Abiodun Enilare Pasheda, thanked the club members for the kind gesture. He promised that the funds would be utilized transparently and with accountability.
The fund will be justified through transparency, accountability, and to demonstrate, to our donors that the money will be making an impact in the lives of the children at Focus on Disability. I promise that the money will be used responsibly and ethically.
A representative of the beneficiaries, Adegbite Wasiu, expressed his heartfelt gratitude and joy and prayed for the club's continued success.
I pray to God that may God will continue to bless every one of us and bless them.
Focus Foundation for the Disabilities is a home established in 2020 by Sir Abiodun Enilare Pasheda and his wife Olori Esther Pasheda out of their passion to restore to the people living with disabilities the future hope. In Ijebu Ode, Oriafe Ogushola, NTA News.